a day of fun and adventure. Join us as we explore a delightful story about a fun day filled with laughter and adventure. We will learn 10 new words today: book, friend, laugh, travel, music, city, dream, help, adventure, sunshine. Let's begin. Meet Mia and our adventure. One day, my best friend Mia and I decided to go on a little adventure. We both love to travel, and today we were going to explore the city. The joy of reading. We grabbed our books to read during our break in the park. A book is something you read for fun or to learn new things. Laughter in the streets. As we walked through the streets, we couldn't stop laughing because we were having so much fun. Laugh means to make a happy sound when something is funny. Sunshine and relaxation. We reached the park and sat under a tree, enjoying the warm sunshine. Sunshine is the light and warmth we get from the sun. Dreaming big. Mia told me about her dream of traveling the world one day. A dream is something you hope to do in the future. It made me think about my own dreams too. The magic of music. Suddenly, we heard some music coming from a nearby street performer. We loved how the music made us feel so happy. Music is sounds made by instruments or voices that are pleasing to listen to. Helping a friend. After enjoying the music, Mia needed to help a friend with something. To help means to give someone what they need. Cozy coffee and stevios. I waited for her in a cozy cafe nearby, looking at the city's beautiful buildings. The city looked so big and exciting. City is a place where lots of people live and work. The best day ever. Finally, Mia came back and we finished our little adventure for the day. An adventure is a fun experience where you try something new. We agreed that today was one of the best days we had spent together. Our new words. We learned 10 new words today: book, friend, love, travel, music, city, dream, help, adventure, sunshine. Try using them in your own sentences. Listen again. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.